welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do the next topic related to exercise 8.3. The topic is related to complementary angles. First of all, you must aware about the complementary angles. So what are the complementary angles? Whose sum is 90 degree. So today in this session we are going to discuss about the complementary angles, because in right angle triangle you know that one angle is 90 degree and the sum of other two angles will be 90 degree. If I am taking angle 1, angle 2 and this is angle 3, you know that angle 3 is 90 degree, and according to the angle sum property we will get only angle 1 plus angle 2 is 90 degree. इसके अलावा हमें कोई और एंगल नहीं मिलेगा. Whenever we have three angles in a right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degree and the sum of other two angles is 90 degree, right? So today in this session I am going to discuss about the trigonometric ratios of complementary angle. Please write down the topic. So students, please note it down. If you are taking triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, as you have seen, the angle B is 90 degree. Angle B is 90 degree, and I have already told you about angle A plus angle C. What will be its sum? Its sum is 90 degree, right? Suppose if I want to, if I want to calculate angle A, it will be 90 minus angle C, and if I want to calculate angle C, what it will be? 90 minus angle A, right? If any one of angle is known to you, whether it is angle A or angle C, you can easily find that with the concept of complementary angles. So here I would like to say that angle A and angle C are complementary angles, right? Angle A and angle C are complementary angles. So students, let us start the next topic, complementary angles. How to convert these angles in a trigonometric ratios. So this is the main question. Now see students, I have taken a right angle triangle ABC, right? In right angle triangle ABC, you have observed angle B equals to 90 degree, right? And I want to find C. Suppose I want to find sine C, right? And if you want to find sine C, you have to take this line which is opposite to angle C as perpendicular. I have told you many times, a line opposite to angle which we want to find. I am repeating, which we want to find, a line just opposite to perpendicular, the line just opposite to angle is called perpendicular, and the line just adjacent the angle is base, right? So in this way, if I want to find sine C, what will be the sine C? Sine C is perpendicular upon H, right? So perpendicular is AB and H is AC, right? Now what I want to find, now we know that angle A plus angle C equals to 90 degree, right? I have told you already a few minutes back that angle A plus angle C are the complementary angles, which you said complementary angles. Now students, watch it very carefully. I am going to replace this C with the A. You know, the angle C, what is the value of angle C? Angle C will be 90 minus angle A, right? The value of angle C will be 90 minus angle A. It's a very easy process. You can find any angle from this equation. If you need angle 1, it will be 90 minus C. If you want angle C, it will be 90 minus angle A. So in this way, I am going to replace this sine C as, I am going to write sine C. C is written in the way 90 minus A. So हम लिख सकते हैं ना. I think there is no problem if you replacing C with 90 minus A, and the sine 90 minus A will be AB upon AC, right? Sine 90 minus A equals to AB upon AC. So please give it number 1. Give it number 1, right? Now what I am going to do, I am going to find the value of cos A, right? I am going to find now the value of cos A. So students, please write down the value of cos A. So in the same manner, I have written cos A. Now students, again, a line just opposite to angle will represent the perpendicular, right? A line opposite to angle. Now which angle I want to take? I want to take angle A. A line opposite to angle A is perpendicular, and the line adjacent to angle A is the base, right? So what is the trigonometric ratios of cosine theta? Cosine theta is base upon hypotenuse, ठीक है? So what is your base? Base is AB upon BC. Clear students? So you will put it as number 2. This is number 2. Now students, I am going to compare number 1 and number 2. Write down compare 1 and 2. What will you get? You are getting a very important result here. In the previous session you have done, not previous session, a few minutes back, you have written sin C equals to AB upon AC. Wait students, there is one correction. H is AC. I have written BC, that is wrong. H is AC. According to this figure, H is AC. Okay. So students, now see, in few minutes back you have written sin C equals to AB upon AC, and then after I put the value of sin C is 90 minus angle A is equal to AB upon AC. So we are getting a very important, very extremely important result. I am going to conclude from 1 and 2. You are observing the right side is exactly same. Comparing 1 and 2, what you are observing, right side is exactly same. AB upon AC, AB upon AC. So it means left side will be equals to left side. So here I am concluding 90 I'm concluding cos A equals to sin 90 minus A, and this is a very important result. Basically the trigonometry starts from this concept, I would say, which is useful as we already we are applying in +1 and +2 also this result, right? This is a very important concept, I would say. So what you get here, sin 90 minus A equals to cos A, right? In the same way, if you will find the value of the value of cos 90 minus A, it will be sin A, right? So cos 90 minus A equals to sin A, and sin 90 minus A equals to cos A. So students, I am not going to repeat this result. This is, you have to prove it yourself. Prove it yourself, right? The next concept I am going to prove, that is tan 90 minus A equals to cotangent A. Tan 90 minus A equals to cotangent A. Let us prove it. Now students, I am going to get the value of tan C, right? Now what is tan C? Perpendicular upon base. I am taking the same triangle ABC where B is 90 degree. I am not going to change any angle. Just fix the triangle. Otherwise, if you don't fix it, hardly matters, you will get the same result, right? So tan C equals to perpendicular upon base. Now first of all, we have to take the perpendicular. Now see, this is the angle C, and just line opposite to angle C is perpendicular. Line opposite to angle C is perpendicular, and the line adjacent to C is base. So what you get, tan C is perpendicular upon base, which is equal to AB upon BC. Clear students? So in the next manner, you have to take, we know that we know that angle A plus angle C equals to 90 degree. Complementary angles, right? So angle C equals to 90 minus A. So here if I have C, I am going to replace this angle C by taking 90 minus angle A, right? So I am going to write it tan C equals to AB upon AC. Now my C has been converted into tan 90 minus A equals to AB upon BC, right? Now it's your wish to put angle, sign of angle, or you can ignore it. Already it is standard result. Here we have angle A, whether write it in this form or this form. Both are correct, right? So students, please mark it number 1. I have taken this as number 1. Now students, what I am going to find the value of 90 minus A we have done. Now I am going to find the value of tan A. Let us find, now I am going to find the value of cot A. So before the result, you must prepare that which value you want to find, which value you want to prove. Here I have to prove tan 90 minus A equals to cot A. So in the same way I would like to calculate the cot A, right? अगर देखो यहाँ पर अगर मैं cos A या sin या secant निकालूंगी, it's just a wastage of time. I know that tan 90 minus A equals to cot A. So without wasting a minute, I would like to conclude only cotangent A, right? So let's get the cot A. So students, cot A, what is cot A? This is perpendicular upon base, but the problem is here that if you are taking angle A as your main angle, if you are taking angle A, this is your angle A, right? And this just opposite to this angle, this is perpendicular and this line is base, right? This side is base and this is perpendicular, right? So beta, here what is your base? Base is AB and what is your perpendicular? That is BC. In the previous a few minutes back you have proved that tan 90 minus A is equals to AB upon BC. If you compare result number 1 and result number 2, what you will get? You will get 90 minus A, tangent 90 minus A equals to cotangent A. So these are the proofs I have fixed. I have concluded 2 proofs here. Rest proofs you can do it yourself. No, nothing is difficult. Just you must know that the which result you are want to find, right? Means कि कुछ भी करने से पहले I must have one statement here. तो वो statement आपको पता होनी चाहिए कि what you wanted to conclude. So in this way you can find the other trigonometric ratios. So I am going to conclude the whole concept here. So my dear students, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Second result I have cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Third result I have tan 90 minus theta equals to cot theta. Fourth result I have cot 90 minus theta equals to tan theta. Fifth result I have secant 90 minus theta equals to cosecant theta. Cosec, which you called cosec, secant 90 minus theta, degree must be there, cosecant theta, and the last result I have cosecant 90 minus theta equals to secant theta. All these 6 results you have to learn. These are very useful for your exercise 8.3, right? Without results you are not able to do the questions. And the one thing I want to tell you why we are doing these results, because we know only these angles, 30 degree, 60 degree, 15 degree, 90 degree, right? If I will give you one angle like 15 degree, 17 degree, 81 degree, what will you do? This is the question mark here. How to solve these kind of questions? If I would say find the value of sine 15 degree, find the value of sine 17 degree. You don't know the table. You don't know that actual algebraic value of these trigonometric ratios. So if you are getting question in this form, you have to apply these results so that we can solve our questions very easily, right? I have students question number 1, 8.3. You have 8.3, question number 1, sine 18 degree upon 72 degree. As I have already told, if you are getting angles except 0, 30, 60, 90, 45, you are not able to find the question. You are not able to find its answer, but it is very easy. What you are to do, suppose this is 18 degree and very carefully see that what I am going to do it now. Cos as it is, no change. Now students, you know that 72 can be written as 90 minus 18. Calculate this. Remember? Clear? You can replace 70 by 90 minus 18. Very easy. And the hint you can get from there. Hint can be get from there 18 degree. So I am replacing it 90 minus 18 degree. Right? 90 minus 18 degree. Now students, you know that what is 90 minus theta. So write down cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. I am replacing this cos 90 minus theta as sine theta. And what is your theta? 18 degree. Both will be cancelled out. Answer is 1. Very easy sum if you know the formula, right? And if you don't remember it, then तो बेटा भगवान भरोसे, ठीक है? Come to the next question, second part. Second part is tan 26 degree upon cot 64 degree. Again students, now it is not necessarily true that you are to convert only denominator. You can convert numerator also. It is your wish. Now see, in the question number 1, I converted denominator. Now I am going to convert numerator, right? You have two options, convert either numerator or you can convert denominator, right? So tan 26, I am going to write 26 as 90 minus 64. The hint you can get from this point, from this step, 64. It is already, the question is in that form in which you can convert it easily, right? So 26 can be written as 90 minus 64 degree. I am converting 26, very carefully, I am converting 26 as 90 minus 64. 90 minus 64 and denominator is as it is. Now students, you know that, yes, tell me what you know. You know that tan 90 minus theta equals to cot theta, right? I am converting this 90 minus theta is cot theta, and what is your theta? 64 degree. Cot 64 degree upon cot 64 degree, answer is 1, cancelled out, right? Come to the third part. We have third part, cos 48 degree minus sine 42 degree, right? Now the question can be in any form, plus, minus, division, multiply. It is not necessarily that the question will be in division form as we have done it earlier, right? Now you have negative sign. Now you have two options to convert, either cos or sine. You can convert any of one trigonometric ratio. अगर दोनों को convert कर दिया तो क्या मिलेगा? कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, क्वेश्चन सॉल्व ही नहीं होगा. सो यू आर टू कन्वर्ट ओनली वन ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो इफ यू वांट टू सॉल्व द सम, राइट? सो आई एम कन्वर्टिंग साइन. नाउ साइन एज इट इज, दिस साइन इज एज इट इज, and 42 I am going to write it 90 minus 48. 42, write it as 90 minus 48. Will you tell me what is sin 90 minus theta? Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, means cos 48 degree. You will get the same trigonometric ratio. There you have negative sign. The answer is 0. 1 मत लिख देना, और कटिंग करके पिछले क्वेश्चन में कटिंग करके 0 मत लिख देना. A divided by A is answer is 1, right? So next sum, secant 31 degree secant 31 degree minus secant 59 degree. Again I am going to convert this number. I have told you many times you can convert it this or this, right? Cosecant 31 I am going to write it as 90 minus 59. 31 को मैंने लिखा है 90 minus 59 जो कि 31 के इक्वल ही होगा. So cosecant 90 minus 59. Now students, what is cosecant 90 minus 59? This is secant 59 minus secant 59. Answer is 0, right? Next question is, show that tan 48 into tan 23 into tan 42 into tan 67. Now see how to do this sum. Students, we have here 4 trigonometric ratios, tan, tan, tan and tan, right? If I would convert 2 ratios, I will get my something answer. Maybe I can get answer by converting 2 ratios. If you will convert 1 ratio, nothing you will get, right? तो यहाँ पर if I have, I'm repeating once again कि अगर मेरे पास 4 रेशियोज हैं, 4 में से कम 2 को तो कन्वर्ट करना ही पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज आपको आंसर नहीं मिलेगा. तो मैं अगर tan 48 को एज इट इज़ लिख लेती हूँ, tan 23 को भी मैंने एज इट इज़ लिखा. दिस tan 42 आई एम गोइंग टू राइट एज दिस tan 42. 90 minus 48, is it right? Yes, it is absolutely right. And I am going to convert tan 67 as tan 90 minus 23. Do you have any problem? I have written 67 as 90 minus 23. No problem is there. First ratio is as it is. Second as well. And the third is tan 90 minus theta. What is tan 90 minus theta? Cot theta. What is tan 90 minus theta? Here it is also cot theta, cot 23, right? Now students, you know that cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. So I am converting cot 48 as 1 upon tan 48 and this cot 23 as 1 upon tan 23. Now you can easily cancel these terms. Yes, very good. We get answer 1, which is equal to RHS. So next question is cos 38 degree, cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree minus sin 52 degree equals to 0. That means your answer should be 0. I'm converting, you can convert either cos or sin. You have two options here. I'm going to convert the sin, right? So I'm going to write sin 38 as 90 minus 52. बेटा hint यहाँ से मिलेगा. 38 को क्या लिख सकते हो? 90 माइनस 52 और माइनस करके ये बिल्कुल आपका मैच होना चाहिए. ये देखो माइनस करके देखो 38, सेम आंसर आपको मिल रहा है. ठीक है. सो साइन 52 इज साइन 90 माइनस 38. 52 कैन बी रिटन एज 90 माइनस 38. कॉस 38 कॉस 52 माइनस साइन 90 माइनस थीटा, कॉस 52 sin 90 minus theta, cos 38. Now you are getting the same terms will be cancelled out. Answer is 0. Now student, question number 3, quite important. 100% you will get this question in your exam. But it's not a tough question. I would say it's a very easy question, right? But the problem is here, if you have this question like sin x equals to sin 30, what you did earlier, sin cancel, x equals to 30. बट यहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम आ गई है बहुत बड़ी. प्रॉब्लम ये है, यू हैव tan 2a इक्वल्स टू cot a माइनस 18. ये कैंसिल तभी होंगे when you have here cot. It is not cot here, it is tan here. But I know the formula. I can convert it 100%, right? I'm going to convert this tan. I'm going to write this tan as cot 90 minus 2a. बताओ किसी को प्रॉब्लम है तो? आई थिंक किसी को प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए. इस tan को मैंने लिखा cot 90 minus 2a because I know that cot 90 minus theta equals to tan theta, right? अब थोड़ा उल्टे वे में हम चल रहे हैं, रिवाइंड करके चल रहे हैं हम. ठीक है. 2a को हमने लिखा 90 minus 2a और साथ में लिख दिया cot. अगर आप इस 2a को इंडिविजुअली 90 माइनस 2a लिख दोगे और यहाँ पे लिख दोगे tan, which is strictly wrong. No, you can't write in this way. This 2a, you have converted 90 minus 2a. If you are writing 90 minus 2a, it should be cot. Cot 90 minus 2a is tan a. Now I am able to cancel this cot, but आपने cancel नहीं करना, ठीक है? This implies that 90 minus 2a equals to a minus 18. Take 2a on this side, 18 on left side. You will get 3a equals to 108 and a equals to 36 degree. Answer, a equals to 36 degree. Please, if I know I'm led fast, but you have to match my speed, or if you are slow you can pause my video and note it down. No problem is there. Question number 4, exercise 8.3. If tan A equals to cot B, prove that A plus B equals to 90 degree. So it's again a very easy question. I can only cancel these trigonometric ratios only when I have same ratios. But I don't have same ratios. I have tan, here I have cot. So write down tan A. This cot will be converted into tan 90 minus B. Cot can be written as tan 90 minus B because I know the formula. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Now tan will be cancelled out. A equals to 90 degree minus B. Then A plus B equals to 90 degree. Hence proved. No problem is there. Simple question. If you know the formulas, you are able to solve each and everything. Question number 5. If secant 4a equals to cosecant a minus 20, find the value of a and the 4a is acute angle. Why they have written it? Because in the triangle, if you are taking any triangle, A, B and C, you can get only these two angles. B is already 90 degree, जो कि आपको हमेशा पता ही है. A का मतलब ये है कि अगर A कुछ भी होगा, अगर आप 4a से भी मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तब भी वो एक्यूट एंगल ही होगा, क्योंकि A और B दोनों एक्यूट एंगल्स हैं. इसीलिए मैं आपको ये एलेबोरेट कर रही हूँ. सो हाउ टू फाइंड दिस क्वेश्चन? Secant 4a equals to cosecant a minus 20 degree. Now students, what will you do? You know that cosecant 90 minus theta is secant theta. Same way as we had done earlier. Cosecant a minus 20. Cosecant will be cancelled out. 90 minus 4a equals to a minus 20. Take this 20 on this side. 90 plus 20 degree equals to a plus 4a. 5a equals to 110. This implies that a equals to 22 degree. Answer is 22 degree. Please pause this video and note it down. I think students, that's enough for today. So thank you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like my video, because if you like it, there is a ranking on YouTube. If you don't like it and leave it as usual, there is no ranking of my video. So please students, it's a humble request to you, please like my video and share it and subscribe it. Please don't share it, just subscribe my channel so that you can get my all the videos. Thank you.